I want to talk about something very important in UPSC preparation: developing an administrator's mindset. Many aspirants believe that this examination is merely about studying books, memorizing information, and covering the syllabus. Of course, reading and understanding the syllabus is essential. But if we look carefully at the nature of the UPSC examination, we realize that it tests something deeper. UPSC is not only testing how much you know, it is also testing how you think. A future civil servant is expected to analyze problems, understand different perspectives, and take balanced decisions that affect the society. Because of this, preparation should gradually develop an administrative way of thinking. Now, let me explain this with a simple example. Suppose you read a news article about a public policy issue. For example, a welfare scheme or an environmental problem. A normal reader may only try to remember the facts. But an aspirant preparing seriously for civil services should ask deeper questions. For example, what is the core problem here? Who are the stakeholders affected by this issue? What are the challenges in implementation? What could be a balanced solution? When aspirants begin to think in this manner, preparation becomes much more meaningful. Now, this kind of thinking helps not only in the mains examination, but also in the interview stage. Because the interview board is not only looking for information, they are trying to understand whether the candidate has the maturity and perspective that is required for public service. Another important point is that this mindset develops gradually. It develops when aspirants read newspapers carefully, analyze issues from multiple angles, and try to connect the theoretical knowledge with real governance situations. Simple words में अगर कहें तो यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन का पर्पस सिर्फ एग्जाम क्लियर करना नहीं, इसका पर्पस एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल डिसीजन मेकर की तरह सोचना और अपने थॉट प्रोसेस, इसका पर्पस एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल डिसीजन मेकर की तरह सोचना है. When preparation is approached in this way, it becomes a process of intellectual and personal growth. So my suggestion to aspirants is this: whenever you study a topic, do not only try to memorize the information, try to understand the larger issue behind it and think about how an administrator might approach that situation. Gradually, that habit will strengthen your analytical ability and improve your performance in the examination.